tomorrow is a very important day. The Fed, if they say they are going to go easy and they are going to start printing money, you are going to see the whole market going crazy. And we also have Ethereum upgrade. So most of the time it's going to be smoothly and good. But the most important one is the Fed meeting, okay? I believe like in the short term, if something like if they didn't announce anything that it is going to be as it is, we could see a little pullback, okay? But then like the market will go up, okay? The market is ready to go up, whatever it takes. But if the Fed go easy, start printing money, it's going to be crazy. The start of the bull market, that's what we want. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance is like going crazy. 65%. That's mean 65% of the total crypto market cap. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy. But I believe this is it for it. Okay. Yeah. Since like 2021. All right. I believe this is it. This time 65. We've been saying this is it for many times now, but what we want is to see. Let me do the weekly chart so we can have like a good look. We want to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping out. As you can see now, it is at the top at 100. Okay. Every time it reaches that, it goes down. But hopefully this time it will be all the way down. So we can have the bull market. So whenever the Bitcoin dominance go down, we have a bull market. That's what happened in 2021 when we had that good bull market. But now I believe it's going to be a super bull market with everything going on, with everything you know about crypto. So Ethereum is what matters for us. If we see Ethereum breaking out and like flipping this 200 moving average, okay, something like this, all right, then it will rally for a new all-time high. That will help, okay? Then you are going to see all the altcoins and meme coins, pepe, everything going crazy, okay? But the most important coins right now that you need to do the research and see if this is for you are Omikami and Ryujin. Okay, look at this. It's been almost 1 year of accumulation. Once this breakout from here, right, we are going to see a great like momentum, and we are going to see Omikami reaching a new all-time high very quickly. Right, the same for Ryujin. It's very bullish. Okay, right here on trading view, like still didn't break out, but right here in Dick Souls, it's already broke out. Even if we do like this, if we took it just like this, it's already broke out, as you can see. All right, so yeah, it doesn't matter. Once the whole crypto markets starts going up, these two, they are going to be or they are going to outperform everything else, in my opinion. That's it. Especially we have a very important date, which is 22 May 2025. What is going to be in this day? It's Omikami ecosystem announcement. And this is the announcement, okay? I've talked about that in previous videos, okay? You can check them out, this one and this one, and you can check it for yourself right here. Go to Omikami page, X, you can just go to X and search for Omikami, you can find it, and read this for yourself, okay? And by the way, like in 22 May, also Trump coin, they have like a gala dinner, something like that. Many projects, they have like 22 May, a very important date. So we don't know what is going to happen exactly, because Omikami team, they said event. Okay, we don't have like so much information about that, but as I am always saying, whatever happens in 22 May, okay, we are going to be holding. Okay, we are not going to sell. Okay, if there are some people that they are going to sell news. Okay, but I don't care, me especially, I don't care, because I know this coin is going for the billions. Okay, my target says 65 billion market cap. Not from me, from the dev himself, the dev, which is Ryushi. Okay, the co or the former founder of Shiba Inu. Okay, now he's behind Omikami, and he himself put that target: 64 billion for Omikami and 22 billion for Ryujin. I'm going to show you that. Give me a moment. I'm scrolling down to it. Here it is. Okay, as you can see. Okay, if we go to Ryujin, is like the same. Let me do like this, and let me check out Ryujin in one of my posts, maybe here. Okay, Ryujin is part of the Omikami ecosystem. Okay, when you stake, because we have staking in the Omikami ecosystem, when you stake your Omikami, you are going to get rewards from Ryujin. Okay, that's, you see like this triangle, Ryushi and Omikami Ryujin, the tokens, the coins. Like very, very soon, Omikami will be a coin, because they have an Omikami blockchain. Okay, as you can see here, Omichain. Okay, it's going to be announcing in the 22 May. Okay, the release, I don't know if it is going to be also in the 22 May, or it's going to be later. But either ways, this is very bullish. This is very huge. Okay, we have all this big news. All right, and we have Ryushi. This is the Ryushi page. Very soon, Ryushi will add a sticker next to his name. Like he said that many times. He said that his return to X is going to be official and no one can deny it. As you can see, 22 billion target for Ryujin. So the chart is very bullish, as you can see. All right, the chart is very bullish, and also the news. Okay, the news are very bullish. 22 May, the announcement of the ecosystem. So this is why I think Omikami and Ryujin, they are going to outperform everything out there. And I believe, like, here it is, like when he talked about the fathers and people are skeptical, because most people, they don't believe this. Like sometimes I also, let me tell you this, sometimes I say to myself, like, why I am the only YouTuber out there talking about this? Like, did the other YouTubers saw me talking about Omikami, so they say like that guy was talking about it, so we are not going to talk about it, or they don't believe, they are skeptical? I really don't know. But here I am the only guy standing talking about Omikami right here on YouTube since more than 1 year right now. But yes, in this post, he talked to skepticals. They were talking some fun and like that. And he said at the end of it, like, he said, the return will be official, clear, and impossible to ignore. That's what I showed you on that picture. He's going to add a sticker of Omikami, okay, next to Ryushi page. Then, my friend, it's not going to be early anymore. You are not going to get the same like entry right now. It's very early right now. You can have like more than 2000x your money with Omikami if we see like 64 billion market cap. If more, it's going to be more. All right, but when everything is official and no one can deny it, it's not early anymore. It's not early anymore. So let me show you something right here. This one. This one. He said it's just about time Omikami and Ryujin will create a meme super cycle, leading to a massive Ethereum demand. Let's go. So that's why also I think Omikami and Ryujin, they are going to be the start of a meme coin super cycle. So all we have to do, or all we have, all of us, what we have to do is wait and see. Okay, for a guy like me, I've been talking like, look at this, like everything is about Omikami and Ryujin. Everything. Look at this. Everywhere Omikami and Ryujin. Everywhere. Look at this. 1 year ago, Omikami. So, and right here, I believe this was the first video. That doesn't mean I didn't know about Omikami before that. I knew about Omikami since the launch. Okay, right here, can you believe it, guys? Less than a 100,000 market cap, but I didn't buy there. My first buy was right here, below 1 million. Then when I accumulate some Omikami, I bought also right here, okay, in this area. And I bought some recently. I'm always buying Omikami and the same Ryujin. I bought some here. I bought some right here at the 27 million, something like this. And I bought right here and I bought right there. I bought everywhere because I believe in these two projects and I think they are my tickets to become financially free. I've been in crypto since 2020. All right. I saw Shiba Inu very early and I was fortunate enough to buy like as less as $150, something like that, and turn it to hundreds of thousands of dollars from Shiba Inu. But by the end of that bull market 2021, I didn't manage that wealth very good. Okay, so I end up like losing most of it. Okay, I learned like difficult lessons. Okay, it was very expensive, hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I learned my lesson, and I believe now I have a second chance with Omikami because we have Ryushi was with Shiba Inu and now with Omikami, so that's why I trust him. He succeeded with Shiba Inu, reached 54 billion. He's going to repeat that with Omikami. All right, so I've never was absent any day. Can you believe it? Since like I started crypto back in 2020. So always there. That's why like Omikami found me, to be honest. Omikami found me because I was there. I didn't give up. I was always doing the research and doing the work and it took me a whole year. Okay? So I understood everything about Omikami. Okay? Then I started talking about it in 2024. All right? And now we are here in 2025 and everything is about to become true. Omikami, they are going to announce everything in 2020 May, okay, or May 22 May 2025. They are going to announce the Omikami ecosystem, okay. Let's see what will happen. But for the millionth time, this is for the community, okay. We don't care. Whatever happens in 22 May, we don't care. We are not going to sell. Okay, if Omikami pumps to 5 billion and you want to take some profit, yes, you can do that. Okay. But if something's going on and this is the last checkout for the fathers and skepticals, yeah, you need to be strong and hold your backs. All right. So we are here for the millionth time to make money by the end of this bull market. Okay. The bull market didn't start yet. Only Bitcoin was up. Okay. Solana and some other meme coins. But the whole altcoin season didn't start. Not until today. Like nothing's going on. Once that happened, okay, by the end of that, it could be this year, the end of this year, or the first quarter of next year. By the end of the bull market, I want to become financially free. That is my goal. Okay? And in the middle, in the journey, I need to manage the money I am making. I need a plan. I need to take in profit targets. I need to be confident about what I am doing. I don't want to be greedy and wait until the top, like the last day of the bull market so I can sell everything. That's not a good strategy. Okay, then you are going to say, oh, let me just wait a little bit. Then the market will correct and you are going to say, oh, let me just wait for it to go back again to where it was. Then nothing is going to happen. It's going to be down and down and down. And then that's what happened to me. We've been waiting and waiting. The whole 2022, nothing. The whole 2023, just a bunch of coin survived. But believe me, that 1 year, 2022, it will take everything from you. Like the year of bear market, it burns everything because everyone is out from the market. No one is there. All right. Fortunately, or happily, or gladly, or luckily for us, we are going to be holding Omikami and Ryujin, which is the best of the best, the top of the top coins out there. So maybe they are going to be down 80%, something like that, but don't worry, they are going to recover in the next cycle, and they are going to be the first they are going to do that. Or maybe they are not going to go down 80% because they have utilities and they are going to be working. That's why you are going to get rewarded from Ryujin. Okay, so we are going to wait and see what's going to happen with this ecosystem, because Ryushi said, this is just the first part, or the first batch. Okay, the second batch is going to be even bigger, and the third batch is going to be mind-blowing. That's what he posted. So I believe this is something that's gonna change crypto forever. Okay, as I posted today, I took it, by the way, from the Omikami website. Omikami is here to flip both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin to roll the crypto universe. That's what I believe. I believe that is going to happen. That's going to be true. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so I believe Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, they were just like experiments waiting for the king or for the queen, because Shiba Inu or Omikami is Amaterasu Omikami. She's a queen, sun goddess. Okay, there is like mythology or something like that, an ancient goddess from Japan, and also Ryujin is a dragon, an ancient dragon in Japan. So you can search about it. Okay, search the sun goddess Amaterasu Omikami and search about Ryujin the dragon, and you are going to find that story. So everything about Omikami and Ryujin are amazing. Everything about Ryushi is amazing. So when Ryushi says Omikami is going to flip Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, I believe him, because he was behind Shiba Inu, and that was very crazy, bro. I was there. I saw what happened. It was crazy, and I wanted I want to repeat the same feeling, the same success with Omikami, and it is going to happen. So yes, let me like give you what I think. Okay, let me summarize everything. So tomorrow, Wednesday, the Fed, they are going to announce if they are going to go easy, if they are going to cut the rates, you know, that stuff. If we have good news, the market will go crazy. Okay, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going crazy right now. Look at it, $96,000. Okay, always Bitcoin always do that. Okay, when the Fed are about to announce something, it's always going crazy, volatile, up and down, up and down. But once again, we need to focus on Ethereum, because the altcoin always starts with Ethereum. All right, once Ethereum break out and go for a new all-time high, bro, you are going to see everything going crazy. Everything. That's why I am saying, like, after you do your own research, okay, and check out everything about Omikami and Ryujin, and you still like saying, bro, maybe I will wait for Ryushi to announce everything, or to do like the badge next to his page, and everything will be official. Yeah, okay, if you have thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, or even millions, I can understand that. But since everything is going to go up, and those charts are very crazy, every time the fathers and skepticals says like we are not going to do anything, we go up. Look at this. So why not just buy a $500? If we go to 64 billion, we are going to make more than $1 million from that. Or at least you are going to make a few hundred or few $1,000s, let's say, because everything goes up in a bull market. So if you want to wait, at least put something there. That's my opinion. That's what I will do if I am watching this video for the first time. We've been like trending on the souls for months now. Guess how many, like hundreds of thousands of people saw this. Everybody is waiting for the crypto to go green. They are going to buy, like, not just Omikami and Ryujin, everything like is trending and has good projects. But Omikami and Ryujin are special because they have Ryushi behind them and a big ecosystem. Okay, if you want to check everything, go to the official website, omikamitoken.com. The next website will be omikami.ai, Web3, all utilities in one place. A big new technology. Okay, so right here, educate yourself a little bit about Omikami and Ryujin. Check out like the first batch, which is this. They have debit card, they have a blockchain, bro. You know how many millions you need to make a blockchain. Like, do some research about all of this and help yourself by going to the Omikami official YouTube channel. All right, watch the first video right now, right here, and the second video right here. Okay, and then decide. Okay, if you say, oh my god, this is what I am looking for, then go for it, bro. All right, if you don't risk it, you are not going to make it. Okay, if you say put at least something, $100, $200, $500, I prefer $500 on Omikami and $500 on Ryujin. Okay, and I will forget about it. Like, isn't that a very good logic? Yes, it is very good logic. If I am someone like that, I have only $500, okay, I will put just $100 or maybe $50 on Omikami and $50 on the Ryujin, and I will buy the $400 something else. That's what I am talking about. So that's what I have to say in this video. You can like check the other videos. I have like hundreds of videos like about Omikami and Ryujin. Check them out. Check like the YouTube official of Omikami. Check the videos right there, and check the official website. Check Omikami X. It's very important to see that. Okay, and read everything right here. And in the end, it's up to you. It's your money. It has to be your decision. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not asking you even to like or subscribe. Don't do that. I wish you all the best. If you are watching until the end, most people, they don't watch until the end. If you are doing that, let me know in the comments, and I wish you all the best. Take care.